This is what you want. Look at that. All right, now we're going to make our wonderful gravy. Get your onion in there. Get your garlic in there. And we're going to saute this up. That's what we're going to do right now. We're going to saute it up. Okay? Let's dry this out a little bit. Dry this out. Dry this out. All right. That's looking nice. All right. Now we're going to add our wonderful fresh rosemary herb. Here we go. Let's release those flavors. Excellent. That's what oh, that smells delicious. That aroma, I'm telling you, you can imagine it with me. This smells wonderful. That's what you want. Releasing all that wonderful herb, rosemary, got that fresh garlic, got the onion. We just mix that around. Oh my goodness. That's what you want. All right, now we're going to add our chicken broth. Look at that. Add that in there. Wonderful. All right, there we go. We're going to build this up slowly, guys. See that? You want those flavors to be extracted. You got that wonderful rosemary. You're going to add our thickener in there. Just build it up, build it up, build it up. All right. Let's see how this goes. We're going to build it up. Wonderful. Build this up. All right. Look at it. It's thickening as we speak. Yes. Let this come to a boil. We'll add that nice water to these wonderful flavors. Yes. Let that come to a boil. It's tightening up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all those seasonings. This is what you want. Oh, that aroma is delicious. Be right back with you. Look at that. This is what you want. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can do it. One step at a time. Look at what we got. This is it. Thanks for watching. And until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.